Hi everyone, thank you for coming back to my channel. This is really, what do you call it? I'm about to do some henna in my hair, and I'm going to start with doing henna from Henna Sooq. Actually, they're both from Henna Sooq, but I'm going to do the regular henna that actually gives that, it's body art quality, and I always use body art quality. And then I'm going to, tomorrow, after I rinse out the henna that I'm going to put in tonight, I'm going to add indigo because I want my hair jet black. So we'll see how that goes. I'm about to mix it now, and then going to let it sit so that it could, what do you call that word? I'll probably just paste it right here, but you got to let it sit for a few hours so that it it releases the color. Yeah, so I'm going to let it sit for a few hours, apply it, leave it on overnight, and then, yeah, go from there. All right, I'll see you in a minute. Bye. Ooh, hunty. Yeah, that's good. I haven't washed my hair yet, so that is something that I am about to do right now. So let me do that. Let me show you what the henna mix looks like before I do that. I purchased this, don't mind that. I used to do henna in the past, and I'm not quite sure the consistency, how it's completely supposed to look, but I don't think it's supposed to be smooth so much as just, as you know, just as much as it just releases all the protein and the treatment that it's supposed to do. So I don't know if it's necessary if it needs to be smooth or not. So anyway, this is how it looks. Let me turn it around. Here it is. This is how the consistency is. Again, I told you I got this from Henna Sooq. This is the red. Let me find the package so I can show you what it looks like. Okay, y'all, I was singing. I had to mute because I have music going. That is against copyright. Anyway, I didn't have any gloves. I don't know if you can tell, but I see that plastic thing on my hand. That is a, not a shower cap, but just a plastic cap that you can get at the beauty supply. So that I didn't mess up stain my hands, which wasn't working too well whatsoever. And as you can see, in my right hand, I was just using an applicator brush. And I was just using that applicator brush, and then I was putting it, like smoothing it in with the other hand with that plastic cap. And again, like, I don't know what I was trying to do, but hey, I don't recommend not having gloves, put it that way. Okay, so I'm done applying it, and now I'm just going to get some plastic wrap and get ready for the night. Now I gotta get my scarf, wrap it up, and get ready to go to bed. All right, hair is rinsed out the next morning, and now I'm about to apply the indigo. I still hadn't gone to get gloves today because I finished today. So I had to use plastic wrap to see if I can make my own personal glove. And as you're going to find out, that's not going to work very well at all. I mean, what is this monstrosity? What is this? What was I even thinking? Hey, I tried. See how it's just coming off and looking. It doesn't matter how it looks. It's how it operates, and it wasn't operating. I eventually just ended up taking it off and using my bare hands, which I don't recommend at all because my fingernails are stained pretty good, which is fine with me, but you know, a lot of people won't like stained fingers. And yeah, but I was able to feel my hair better and get it all up in there and make it happen. But because with that I had going on there, no, just no. So this is how it looks. This is how it is after the indigo treatment. I like it. There's still some places that aren't all the way, weren't, the indigo didn't take all the way, which is fine. I was thinking that, you know, I left it on much longer for the 2 to 3 hour recommended time, that it would just really sink in the strand, but it didn't. But what I have, as far as what I did have, is the coloring goes, is absolutely, I love it. Let me just put it that way. What I did was, as far as the conditioning, because when I used to be a loose natural, because you all know I'm free forming right now. So normally to free form, I don't put conditioner on my hair, because what conditioner does for my hair is it just makes it loose and soft, which is kind of like the complete opposite of what I am going for when it comes to free forming. Because I want locks. I want my hair to, I don't mind it being soft, but I do want it to lock up. So I don't put conditioner on my hair. But for some reason, I decided that, because, so when I'm a loose natural, after my henna treatments, I would always put conditioner on my hair, because this henna is a very strong protein conditioning treatment. So you need something to soften and that up, basically. So I went to Whole Foods to buy some conditioner, because, you know, I was going to put that on my hair after this indigo application. And then while I was in the shower rinsing it off, I thought to myself, wait a second, Raina, you are growing your locks, your free-forming locks. So why would you put on conditioner on your hair? I mean, I'm happy I purchased it, because for my other children, you know, it's time for them to, when they wash their hair, because we ran out. So I'm happy I purchased it. That's not wrong. But I was like, I was going to use it, but then again, that thought came to me. I'm like, wait, you're free forming, Raina. The whole purpose of free forming is to allow your hair to lock. It is to not be that loose curl natural thing that you used to, you know, desire. I don't desire that anymore. Oh, look at my hands. This is from the dye, from the henna. This is some really good, powerful, strong henna. I used Henna Sooq. I recommend it. I recommend it. It's the first time I ever used it, and I saw a recommendation from another lock individual on here who uses it. So I was like, let me go ahead and try that this time, because I normally do Henna Hut, and I've been using Henna Hut ever since I was started my natural hair journey, which was 12 years ago. But anyway, long story short, this is the results. And I didn't put on any conditioner after this. I just let it, got out of my hair is still wet actually. I got out of the shower. I put camellia oil and yingling, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Anyway, that and lavender. I put that in my palm, rubbed it, put it all in my hair, and that's it. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it feels, since I didn't add the conditioner. Now, if it feels like brittle and like it's gonna break off, that it's just too much protein, then I'm gonna go ahead and put the conditioner in my hair. But right now, I'm gonna see how it goes, and I'll let you all know. But yeah, here we go. This is it. Hopefully, you all can see the gist of it. And yeah, If you have any questions, let me know. I'll put the products that I use down in the description box. And yeah, that's all. All right, as always, please keep elevated thoughts, a pure heart, and a free spirit, and stay in the moment. Much love to all of you. My name is Raina, and thank you for coming to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.